Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use a Porsche Cayenne Jack. Start by securing the car with the parking brake and wheel chocks, then confirm a flat surface. Find the precise jacking point near the rocker or factory lift pad and clear the area. Position a compatible jack under the pad and raise slowly while checking stability. Use jack stands to support the vehicle before removing the wheel or working underneath. Choose a hydraulic trolley jack that meets the Cayenne's weight rating and has a rubber saddle to protect the pinch weld. Inspect the jack for leaks, worn parts, and correct fluid level, and verify its capacity. Collect 2 sturdy jack stands and wheel chocks before lifting. Wear gloves and eye protection to keep hands and face safe while you work around the wheel area. Loosen lug bolts a turn while the wheel stays on the ground to ease later removal. Position the jack under the factory, jacking point, and pump carefully until the saddle sits snugly against the pad. Raise to the needed height, then slide jack stands under the vehicle at approved support points and lower the car onto them. Double-check stability before removing the wheel and begin your repair or inspection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.